to make a snow volcano with you. You should have the recipe, and Caleb's going to tell us everything that we need. And these are all household things and snow that you can get from outside, maybe. All right, Caleb, what do we need to make a snow volcano? The first thing we need is
snow.
Oh, we need some snow. So head on outside, see if you can find some snow. Might be hard to come by these days, but I heard there's some coming on Thursday. What else do we need, Caleb?
Baking soda.
All right, you need some baking soda, maybe a cup or a cup and a half. And we need some
Cup. Vinegar. Dish soap.
that's it. Any kind is fine. And we need some, Caleb, what's this?
Red food coloring.
Ah. Red. And
Warm water.
we do
Cup.
need that. This one is,
Vinegar.
oh, vinegar, yes. Caleb also said we need some warm water, and he is correct. You're going to need, about a quarter cup of red warm water. Okay, so once you think you have all the ingredients, we look at the directions. It says to add 1 tablespoon of dish soap to the container. Okay, Caleb, get your dish soap. Open, and I'll let you pour, and I'll hold the spoon. So open, and you're gonna squeeze some on. I like how you're using 2 hands. Good. We're gonna squeeze a tablespoon, so that means the whole spoonful. And we're gonna put everything in that cup. We forgot to say that we needed a cup. Well, Caleb said that, that's right. So we need 1 cup, or 1 tablespoon of dish soap. In, one of Faye's core words, in the cup. Good. Oh, and then it says, fill halfway with baking soda. All right. Caleb, can you find the baking soda? Which one? This one or this one?
Baking soda.
We're gonna open. Pull. Good. And now we're gonna pour it half full, and Mel has a yellow mark on the cup. So we're gonna pour half into the cup. Shake, 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 shake. All the way up to, are you looking? All the way up to the yellow line. Good. All right, so we have that done. Can you see it okay yet? And then it says to mix in the quarter cup of water. So now we're gonna take our red warm water that we have, and we're gonna put it in the cup. Oops. in the cup. Good. All right, it looks like we might have spilled a little bit. We'll maybe have Justina bring us a little more warm water. No problem. While she does that, we'll get some red food coloring. It says add several drops. I think Mel will help you with this one. How many should we put that? We're going to squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you think? Try that. Nice job, Caleb. Oh, and here's a little bit more water. Let's add a little more water. Pour it in. Nice job. Nice job, Caleb. Good. I think that was about what we needed. All right, what do we have to do next? It says, place the container in the snow and build the volcano completely up around and making sure to keep it open at the top. Okay, so we're gonna scoot this stuff over and we're gonna put our cup in the snow. So we're gonna take this. Oh, how does it feel? Cold. So you're gonna push your cup in the snow and we're gonna kind of pack around it. And this is good packing snow. Can you help, okay? He's like, I'm gonna try to put some in, see what happens, huh? Pack it up. Can you get more? Pack all the way up. Try to hide the cup. Cool. Whoop. No push too hard. Okay, and once you have your cup looking like a volcano, it says to pour the vinegar in. So we're gonna get the vinegar, open.
Help.
Oh, nice job. Using your iPad to ask for help. Okay, now try. Way to go, Caleb. You are quite the scientist. Now it says to pour some vinegar in the cup. Whoa! Okay, stop. It looks like a volcano to me. Whoa! Would you like to do more? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. I think if we poured some more vinegar in, it might erupt again